Come test drive the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, 8 speakers, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.